Hi there, I'm Dr. Erin Glynn, host of the Nuchi Health channel, and we're here today to look at how to calculate your daily caloric needs. Let's jump in. Today, we're going to look at two different calculator options for estimating your daily caloric needs. I will put the links for both of these in the captions below. The first one is from calculator.net. You're going to go to their form here and choose your units. Most of us are going to use the US units. If you're outside the US, you can choose metric units. And you're going to enter your age, choose your gender, enter your height in feet and inches, and enter your accurate current weight. Now, I like this calculator because it does have some additional settings here that you can choose how you want your output and which equation is used for estimating your daily caloric needs. I like the Mifflin-St. Jeor. It is more accurate than the Harris-Benedict equation, and most people don't know an accurate body fat percentage to put here for the Catch-McArdle. So Mifflin-St. Jeor is the default, and we will just keep it there. So you can see if I hit calculate that it gives you different results over here. I also like this calculator because it gives you both your basal metabolic rate. So that is the estimated caloric needs if you were simply at rest and you had no physical activity in a day. And then it gives you your estimated calories based on your activity level, and it gives you all of them. Some other calculators out there, you have to choose your activity level, and then it just spits out one number. Here you can see, depending on how active you are, different amounts of calories that would put you at a neutral energy balance. So if you are extremely active and you do intense exercise 6 to 7 times per week, this is the amount of calories estimated to help you maintain your body weight and keep you in neutral energy balance. It also defines each of these different types of exercise so that you know exactly which one you should be looking at. So that's one option. The other thing I like about this is if you go to settings and you want to see the actual formulas under the estimation formula, if you click that question mark, it takes you here to the exact equations that are being used, if you're interested in that. The other calculator is from the USDA, and this is a little more detailed. So it says here it's a calculator for health professionals. Certainly, you can have a health professional help you interpret the information if you're not sure after you fill it out, but let's just walk through it and see the information that it gives us. Again, you can choose between standard measurement units and metric. We'll choose our gender. We will put our age in years. For women, it's going to ask you if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. We'll put our height again, and again, our weight in pounds. And then here you choose your activity level. If you click on this little I for information, it defines what they're using for these different activity levels. So I'm going to choose active and submit. So what it gives you, it tells you all the information you just entered there. It gives you your body mass index, BMI, and all these little I will give you places you could go read more information about where they're coming up with this. It gives you your estimated daily caloric needs. So you can see I chose that I was active and it tells me 2,382. Let's compare that to here, 2,386. So that's pretty close between the two there. But what I like about this second calculator is that it also gives you your daily recommended intake for certain nutrients, vitamins, minerals. So these are based on the dietary reference intakes. And if you click the little I, it'll tell you how did we get to 268 to 387 grams of carbohydrates per day. This is based on the acceptable macronutrient distribution range, AMDR, for carbohydrates, and you can read more about that there. But these are just guidelines, and it's based on the information you put in. So I like it. It's a little more personalized, and it also gives you kind of targets for your vitamins and minerals. So those are the two calculators that I like and recommend if you're looking to estimate your daily caloric needs. Thanks for joining us for that short video on how to calculate your daily caloric needs. I hope you learned something. And if you're learning from and/or enjoying our content, please like, follow, subscribe on any social platforms you interact with. You can find us at Nuchi Health, that's Nuchi Health, on all social platforms. I'll see you soon.